This is the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. This is the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. If you're having a hard time knowing what the air quality is in your house, this might be the solution for you. If you've never seen this before, I'm going to show you why and what it does. This is something that's going to be able to detect your temperature. It's going to detect your humidity, your PM, so your particle matter, your VOCs, and your carbon monoxide. So this is going to be all of those detectors, and it's small. It's going to be very small. Only thing you need is going to be the power adapter and Amazon Alexa app. That's all you need to make and be smarter about your air quality. Now the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor, this is going to be able to monitor your 5 key factors, your particles, so your 2.5 micron particles, your volatile organic compounds, carbon monoxide, humidity, and temperature. It has a color-coded LED, and let's unbox it. So I just removed the top. We're going to be taking out of its box. And this is important to me. So I suffer from very bad allergies, so knowing my air quality is paramount. It is so important. This has a little fan built inside that gives it, which allows it to collect the air instead of just waiting for the air to come to it. And this is what it looks like. It is really small. I mean, how small is this? This is very, very small. I like what it looks like. This is super neat. Now, what else do you get inside the box? You're going to get your power cables and your user manual. So they give you a 6-foot cord, so you get a very long cord. And you get your power adapter brick that's inside, along with your user instructions. So you have your warranty instructions and your user instructions. So activate your device. How you set it up is that you're going to activate your device. You place your smart air monitor somewhere, you plug it in, you get the Amazon app, and you set it up in your device. There's an LED indicator and an air intake vent, along with a button on the back. So if you press and hold that button, it's going to do manual setup mode. Quick press for show the air quality color, and long hold for factory reset, and press and release quickly to power off. And that button is right here. So there's that button right there. So if you long press that, if you short press that, it's going to do different things. And let's open it in the Alexa app. Here's my Alexa app. You can see all our devices. So we're going to go to our devices. So we just go to devices, and you're going to add a new device. So it's going to ask you add a new device. So we're going to add a device. And which device are we adding? We have a new device, right? We have the Smart Air Quality. So we have the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor. So I want to add that. We're going to see that it says connected. Yes, we want to connect. You're going to locate the QR code on the back of your monitor. And the QR code is on the bottom right there. We're going to say scan barcode. Correct, so I'm going to scan that barcode. Now it's looking. So this is saying me that my score right now is 96. This is good. So let's look at our dashboard in terms of the Amazon app. And this again is using the Smart Air Quality Monitor. This is the metrics that it's going to be giving you. And we've tested out ours now officially for quite a long time. So it's going to say my air quality is good, because my score right now is 96. My temperature in my studio is 80 degrees. It's quite hot, 27 in humidity. So this assigns you the score by week. So here we've been trying it out during the entire week. And on Tuesday, because of when we turn on our heat, you can see that our particle count spiked. It spiked. So even with all of our gear and everything in our studio, because it's a closed space, we have so much stuff in here, a lot of dust. Sometimes we test things. Our PM, our air quality spikes, and that's our weekly PM score. But then you can look at daily PM scores. And here was yesterday. So here is like yesterday's PM score. You know, you can do the day before. Here's the day before. Two of my biggest drawbacks on the Smart Air Quality Monitor is the lack of display on it. So I would love to have seen, just looking at it, what my air quality is instead of having to ask my Alexa. And I would love to have a little bit more intuitive features. And hopefully we see more app features appear as the rollout continues and Amazon keeps continually upgrading the smart air quality monitor. So if you are wondering, now I want to know what it tells me when I'm using it on my Echo devices or some of my Alexa devices. Let's try it. Hey Shaq, what's my indoor air quality?
The indoor air quality is good with an air quality score of 96.
Perfect. Now inside this, you can see that you're going to have access to all of your scores. Now, one thing that I do want to recognize is that the CO and the VOCs, they're continuously about at that 1 setting, and you can see that our scores, our air quality adjusts by day and by the time of day. So whenever we have the heat on full blast, the air quality goes down, and when we have the heat off, the air quality goes up. So the question is, what do I think about the Amazon Smart Air Quality Monitor? I mean, some of your new air purifiers are coming with particle meters, like the air particle meters that you'll find on things like the Shark. You'll find them now on things like Blue Air, the Levoits, the S-Line really take advantage of having the 2.5 particle count. But I do find that this does have a place because you will always know, you could place this in an isolated room or in your baby's room, and you could always know what the air quality is in that room. For not just the temperature, you know the humidity, the temperature, and the air particle count with the CO. So there's some unique features here. I'm going to be checking it out and I'm going to be further testing it. But if you have any questions, let us know in the comment section and we'll catch you next time. This is the Smart Air Quality Monitor from Amazon. It's new. Let's see if it's worth it.